Okay, good morning class. Welcome back. This is the video for standard 10th. Chapter number 3, linear relation to variable. So now we start today. This is exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. So before the start of the equation, this exercise, I want to say that what is the linear equation to variable? So linear equation to variable, again I recall, the equation should be in linear form. So just see this equation, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 is not in an, is it linear equation to variable? No, it is not in linear equation form. It is not in linear equation form. We first of all we convert in linear equation form first of all. So let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So first of all we change the form in linear form. So if we take 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, so just take a by 2 plus b by 3 equal to 2. So now 2 3 is 6. So this equation multiplied by 6. Then 2 3 is 6. So 3a plus 3 2 is 6. So 2b and 2 6 is 12. So this is now linear form, linear equation. This is first equation. Now next is 1 by 3x. So again 1 by 3x means a by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now again you do the 6. So multiply by 6. So equation is 3 to the 6, 2a plus 2 3 is 6, 3b, 6 6 is cut, so 13. So first and second equation. So first equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and second equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is first equation and this is second equation. So one more thing, this 3 and 2 means in a cross the values means a1 is equal to b2 and b1 is equal to this is a1 a2 and b1 b2. So 3 3 is in cross is equal, 2 2 is equal. So now first and second equation. So what to do? Add first and second equation. First we add this equation. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. So first we add this equation. 3 plus 2, 5a, 2 plus 3, 5b is equal to 12 plus 13, 25. So this whole equation divided by 5. Okay, 5a plus 5b is equal to 25, so divided by 5. So now when you divide by 5, so and equation is a plus b is equal to 5 5 ja 25. 25. So now it is third equation because we got a new equation. Okay, a plus 5b, a plus b equal to 5. Then now once we add, then again we do subtract also. Subtract. Why we add and subtract? Because both in this same question. Because see the equation form is in the 3 3 is opposite, means cross is equal, and 2 2 is opposite. So this type of questions we do both by the addition also and by the solving by addition also and solving by subtraction also. So now subtract. So second equation from first we get. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Minus 3 minus 2 a 2 minus 3 minus b is equal to 12 minus 13 minus 1. This is our equation number 4. This is equation 3rd and this is equation 4th. Now we solve these two equations. A plus b equal to 5 and a minus b equal to minus 1 plus. So a plus b minus b, cut. A plus a, 2a, 5 minus 1 is 4. So a equal to 4 divided by 2. So 2 to the 4. So a equal to 2. We got a. Now we find the b. Their next step is find the b. So this value substituting a equal to 2 in equation. You can put in any equation, first, second, third, fourth, but for easiness we put in a equation 3rd. In equation 3rd we get a value is 2 plus b is equal to 5. b is equal to 5. This 2 is substitution means move this side. 5 minus 2 transpose. b is equal to 5 minus 2 3. b we got 3. a equal to 2, b equal to 3. So here is the problem is n? No. We find only a and b. But our real question is, it is given in x and y. So we find the value in x and y. So what we do? This value we need substitution. Okay, first we'll copy this one. Okay. Resubstitution. Resubstitution means a is equal to, we take 1 by x equal to a, so we take 1 by a is equal to 1 by x and b is equal to 1 by y. So a is equal to 1 by x, so a value is 2, so 2 equal to 1 by x and b value is 3 is equal to 1 by y. So we find the value of x. So we resubstitution the values of a. So b is 3, cross multiply. Here is 1 suppose. So x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, means we do inverse endo. Okay, inverse endo means reciprocal both the sides, LHS also, RHS also. So we find the value of x, only x. So x equal to 1 by 2, cross multiply. And again, here we put 1, 3 by 1 is equal to 1 by y. So y value is 1 by 3. Now this is the final answer. X equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3. Please copy this. Okay. Now we have moved to the question number 2nd. The question again. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Again it is in a fraction form. So change into linear form. So let 1 by root x you take a. Again 1 by root y is equal to take 1 by y is equal to take b. 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. So now we find make the equation. So now it is 2a 1 by root x. So root x value is a. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. First equation. Then second equation 4 1 root x a 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is second equation. So we solve by the now by any method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. You can use any method. So I solved by this question is by elimination method. So first of all, equation first multiply by 3. Why 3? Why multiply 3? Because 3 to the 9, then these terms are equal and sign are different. So 3 to the 6a, 3 to the 6a plus 3 to the 9b is equal to 3 to the 6. Okay, full equation. This full equation multiplied by 3. Okay, so 3 to the 6 plus 3 to the 9b equal to 2 3 to the 6. So this is new equation. Equation number we get given third. Now take and equation third and second. The first equation will change in third equation. So 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Then 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. 6 plus 4, 10a plus minus 9b cancel. 6 minus 1, 7. Sorry, 6 minus 1, 5. Sorry, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. So a equal to 5 divided by 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 to the 10. A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. Now A we got, now this value, substitute. A equal to 1 by 2 in equation, in any equation, first, second, third. So we put in the equation first. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. So this 2 is cut. So 1, 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. So b is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 3. So b we got 1 by 3. So this question is end? No. Again we find the value of x and y. So resubstitution. A equal to 1 by root x, because first 1 by root x we take a. Now a equal to 1 by x and b equal to 1 by y. So value put out. A value is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root x and b value is 1 by 3, 1 by root y. So cross multiply. Root x is equal to 2 1 is 2. X equal to this square root. See the class. Square root. This is square root. This is 2 change into square. Okay. This root change into square. So x equal to 2 square is 4. And again root y is equal to 3 1 is 3. Y is equal to, again this root, see the root, because we find only value of x and y only. So this root, square root change into square. Okay. So 3, whole square. So y value is 3 square is 9. So x equal to 4, y equal to 9. This is our final answer. Okay. Please copy this. Okay. So now in the question number 4, 5 x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, 6 x minus 1 minus 3 y minus 2 equal to 1. So this is a more complex question. So let x minus 1 to take a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to you take b. Okay. Now it's not compulsory you take only a and b, you take any other variable like a u and v. Okay. So 1 by x is equal to a, so 5a plus 1b means b is equal to 2. First equation. Then second equation is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Students, more focused to make the equation correctly. Okay. So now we solve by linear equation to get the elimination method. Okay. So if you this equation, first equation multiply by 3, so we get here 3b. So easily cancel. So first equation multiply first equation by 3. So 5. This first equation, whole equation multiplied by 3. So 5 is 15a plus 3b is equal to 2 3 is 6. This is equation third. Okay, this is equation third. Then 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. Now we take the equation third and second. So form equation third and second. Second equation is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. We do here add because already sign is different. So 3b plus 3b cancel. 6 plus 15, 21a is equal to 1 plus 6, 7. So a equal to 7 by 21, 7 to 7, 7 to 21. So a value is 1 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3. Now we put the value of b. Now let's simplify the b. So we put in any equation. So substitute a equal to 1 by 3 in equation. You can put any equation first, second, third, but I put in a second. Okay. You put in any equation. Okay. 6a minus 3b. So 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b is equal to 1. 3 to the 6, 2 minus 3b is equal to 1 and minus 2. This rules transpose. Okay. So minus 3b is equal to 1 minus 2 is that is the answer minus 1. So minus minus cut. So b value is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. B value. B value is 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3 is transpose. So 1 by 3. B equal to 1 by 3. A equal to also 1 by 3. Okay. Both the answers are same. So now, but we find the value of x and y. So this substitution. This substitution. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to take a. Sorry. A equal to 1 by x minus 1 and b equal to y minus 1. Because first 1 by x minus 1 we take a and 1 by y is equal to b. So a equal to now 1 by x minus 1 and b equal to 1 by y minus 1. Now put the value of a. A value 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Here the question is complex, so we not get the answer directly x and y. Again we make the another equation. So a value is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Cross multiplication, x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then again y minus 1, b value is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by y minus 1. So cross multiplication, y minus 1 is equal to 3. This is equation, we take fourth because third is over here, no? So this is equation 4 and this is equation 5th. X minus 1 and y minus 2, sorry, y minus 2, y minus 2. X minus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 3. So, no need to write fourth equation for equation. So, x value is 3. So, minus 1 down this side plus 1. So, x equal to 3 plus 1, 4. And y is equal to 3 minus 2 down that side, so 3 plus 2. So y is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. X equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Over. Okay, understood class? Okay, please copy this one. Okay. So now is question number 5th. 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5, 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. So now this question will solve a different way. So first of all, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy, we separate the equation. First of all, we separate the equation. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equal to 5. Now, next step is x is cut, y is cut. So 7 by y minus 2 by x equal to 5. So now this is the first equation. Same we do for the second equation. 8x by xy separate plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. Now x is cut, y is cut. So 8 by y plus 7x is equal to 50. So now, see the form of the equation. 7 by y minus 2 by x. This is 1 by x and 1 by y. So let 1 by x is equal to you take p. Now take the variable. Okay. Same a and b and a confusion. Okay. So 1 by x equal to p and 1 by y equal to this q. So we rearrange the equation. So write the first equation minus 2x by x plus 7 by y is equal to 5. First equation. Okay. So minus 2 by x plus 7y equal to 5. We rearrange this equation. First equation. Now value of x is p. So minus 2p plus 7q is equal to 5. Now this is new equation. New equation. Third equation. Given the name. The next equation is form equation second. This is equation Second, rearrange the equation again. 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 15. So x value, 1 by x value is p, so 7p plus 8q is equal to 15. This equation name is fourth. Okay. Now what to do? So minus 2p plus 7q is equal to 5. 7p plus 8q is equal to 50. Here, not any equation is same. Means not any constant is not we can easily multiply and get the same value. So what to do? We multiply both the equations, third and fourth, by the opposite number. So this is minus and plus sign. So third equation, multiply equation third means this one. Okay, third by 7. Third by 7. So 7 to the 14, 14p plus 7 to the 49 q is equal to 7 5 to 35. Means this whole equation multiplied by 7. So new equation it is fifth equation. Now this equation 7p plus 8q is equal to 50. So this is the equation multiplied by equation 4 by 2. So 2 7 the 14p plus 2 8 the 16q. 2 into 15 30. 2 into 15 30. This is equation 6. See, now minus 14p and plus 14p we easily cancel. So that's why we multiply this equation, third equation by 7, and fourth equation multiplied by 2. So this is common sense you can use here. See how we make the equation means one term should be same, and if you solve by elimination method, how do we make the one term should be same without and sign should be different. So third equation multiplied by 7 and fourth equation we multiply by 2. That's why we get this equation. So now from equation 5th and 6th. So minus 14p plus 49q is equal to 35 and plus 14p plus 16q is equal to 30. So 14p plus 14p is cut because same term. 49 plus 16, 9 plus 6, 15, 4 plus 5, 65 q. 5, 3, 6, 65 here also. So q is equal to 65 divided by 65. So q value is 1. So q is equal to 1. Okay. We got to answer q value. Now find the value of p. So q value put substituting. Q equal to 2. Q equal to 1. 1 in equation. You put in any equation. Okay. So there are so many equations are here. So you put in equation 5th. In equation 5th. So minus 14p plus 49 into 1 is equal to 35. So minus 14p plus 49. 49 1 is 49 is equal to 35. Minus 14p is equal to 35 minus 49. So minus 14p, the same 35 minus 49, answer is 40 minus 40. Okay, 35 minus 40 minus cut. So P is equal to 14 divided by 14. So answer is 1. P value is 1. P value is 1. So just see this question. This is step. Only now we get a P value and Q value. Okay. So P is equal to 1. P value is also 1. Now this substitution. Okay. We just grab this side. So because we find the value of x and y. So this substitution. Substitution, P is equal to 1 by x and Q is equal to 1 by y. Okay, so P value is 1 is equal to 1 by x and y value, Q value is 1 is equal to 1 by y. So again cross multiplication, so x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Let's copy this. Okay, now see the question. Question number 8. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 in a bracket 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. So here the value is 1 by 3x plus y is common, okay, in this equation, and 1 by 3x minus y. So let 1 by 3x plus y, so 1 by 3x plus y to take equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y you take b. So now make the equation. So 1 by 3x, so a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. A plus, because 1 by 3x plus y equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y equal to b, so a plus b equal to 3 by 4 and denominator is 4, so whole equation multiplied by 4. So 4a plus 4b is equal to 4 is cut 3. This equation first. Then take the next equation 1 by 2 in a bracket 3x plus y, but we only take 1 by 3x plus y equal to a. So we write the equation like a by 2. Okay, because 1 by 3x plus y only is a. We assume only 1 by 3x plus y equal to a. So a by 2 minus b by 2. Sorry, equation is 2 actually. Sorry. 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So whole equation is multiplied by 8. This whole equation multiplied by 8 because denominator is LCM is 8. So 2 4 is 8, 4a. 2 4 is b minus 4b is equal to 8 is cut minus 1. This is equation second. Now, okay, first equation, second equation from first and second. So 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 and 4a, second equation, minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So plus 4b minus 4 is cut. 4 plus 4, 8a, 3 minus 1, 2, a equal to 2 by 8. 2 on the 2, 2 4 is 8. So value of a is a equal to 1 by 4. Now this value we put in any equation and we find the value of y. B. So they are substituting a equal to 1 by 4, put in equation first. So first 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 is cut. So 4b is equal to 3. This 1 minus 1 transpose. So b is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So b value is 1 by 2. This is b value. B value is 1 by 2. A value is 1 by 4. Okay. So now we find the value of x and y. So resubstitution. A is equal to 1 by 3x plus y, and b is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. A equal to 1 by 3x plus y, b equal to 1 by 3x minus y. So a value is 1 by 4, 1 by 3x plus y, 3 plus 3x plus y. Okay. Cross multiplication. So 3x plus y is equal to 4 1 is 4. This equation given the first and second. This is equation third. Again cross multiply. 3x minus y is equal to, b value is, first of all put, b value is 1 by 2, 1 by 3x minus y, cross multiplication, 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 4. Now third and fourth, both the equation. From third and fourth. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Add. Plus y minus y is cut. 3 plus 3, 6x. 4 plus 2, 6. So x equal to 6 by 6. Answer is 1. So x is 1. X value is 1. X value is 1. Now find the value of y. So this value put in any equation of third or either fourth. So substituting x equal to 1 in equation third. In equation third. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 transpose. So y is equal to, the value is 1. So x also 1, s equal to 1, and y equal to also 1. Okay? Over. Question number exercise 3.6 question first is over. Here.